Abai ejane ka kom omuji okay no mo Ghana pe amaso yi mode enso na be kan so ene na no papa say any be ntina Flagstaff House no mo edu group no mo ene be ne ene mo ene pe so na be boy ne be fio ngba ne papa yo omo ntina be mo planning committee no mo hye san so ne no ma na ko no ntina o ma ba ko so no be ne sika pa nene on be ne sika pa o ma ne 5 billion kra o be say that go here because to the man any DC you no any year any chuto bala ala pepe honorable I did le we be krombre ube ye sanguto no ye ne kwa na ko dabi we ne ye san mo be say eta na ka be we ye kokko no ne le no so na ni fi ase so far planning committee o wa ta papa okre tepe etele ebiru jemba tele o mo lance o mo ba for 2025 no na ya pe be che so na mo so mo kase ngade ani pe ani papa yo Sabria nyamechami anasa nyamekasama fo asofo Richard Jemfi abompai na achamefo so achameheni okanto fori edi na manim abompai agu apaye anase gu sama kunyama hu ya hamde na ekwan aba se benso midi jumedi ho tia mede na ekwan abu amaye anisa se achamfo amapan dia na sabi beba pan na yama ye ho akwa hwewuni oto nten na mana kwa basonko na mana kwa search na kaze za fishapo se amu be nya so be na tuwa se wu se we nya dia bamobi enyobia ne nya ni se sabia afi akwa betuye na ye la so tinkom yeti ebiru an fitire se twani apokwa me basa yi adom afanta from omena so kotu amasa ta sabo afo awutu ni tu awose wa krabo adua maye na oni ye dini ye papa ye da na papa ebusina yo abusina sabia ya maye ho akwa abayi de ne ho benyina se opani kese e choka man ho benyina se ono so ya hyane so se ohene na tumedimu no owotumi papa e wa hfi ha na afi so aduruman na ho benyina se oba be maye nyina kwa basonko na wa sere nti a yehie ngo ha o man fa ko makro osebo de ne ye sembo nchia nana owura kese aduruman krado na mo man ya kwa basonko kra madawo o mensa de ni kan de nyanko edi na sene dey o hwede ku fa ekini adihia wo eberu na fikese nia edikan no dijira na kwa me ne ku anan mu edima ye ne hyemu na apa e ma mu nyina apa obi hu bida efititi ebumde obi hu bida ene ayeso ko ibiase ko na bibia esesa akamretie bi na yebedi ohun ayefe na eba adibia so no e wose wo ye de opa mutuma na o dia tsa na san mu se nya o pese o yi ni ebrew before me then ya tsa so no se ende day shiema shiemu nyina tese ye bepa ebrew okum ayefe day eba mutuma se o da bon se ye ma wo a etu safro nyina akwa se nyame bi o ma agiji on tata ni o ma bi asubi e da o ma se e se me de place e sa se no e ble de e ko enti ni kasa te bibia nyame kan se Nyamishi obi biara wotutu na namo aba sa ayipia. Nyamishi obi a be ma nyina akaba. Amen. Whatever. Say plane kura private jet kura ni say you ko form amon kan yan fan ko form the sense o nya papa yo dey na mo papa enti so obi nya be ka yan sape na mama ya so ante na afi ya tudin no bia so etini ehu yo abusia sabe die ibeti nyom afi eye gips kwa afọ na mumma nyom ni ntwa keke orbo no ni na no nyenyi je so kungo wo komam
Amen. Nti aboafo a enne ye ne won ba be twitwimedi ye nyina ye abo aboafo nyinaa yɛ special guest nyinaa yɛ ama ha nkadwumadi ɛrenyɛ yie nanso ɛsɛ abere nya bibera no yɛto nsafrɛ ɔkɛndifo nti ɔboafo a odi kan ɛyɛ lawyer Kofi Bequin yi mpatwa baabi a wɔ biara na wɔawebi wo nsa kakra ama yɛn yi lawyer abrante papa ɔhomfɛfo yo tufo hene ba nti yɛma wakɔ aba nso sɛ wode ɔdɔ babagɔ ɔdɔ mu nea ɔtɔ so ɛyɛ Mr. Asante Emmanuel you Presby asafo mpanyinfo ni bi ɔbɔ no kɔmɔdé wɔ asafo no yie paa yɛm nso ECG nsɛmsɛm nyinaa nti yɛwɔ ha yɛ light anaasɛ bibi nkɔ yie pɛ yɛhu na ɔbɛyɛ ama yɛn ɛsan to nsɔfrɛ Mr. Hineku Frederick yɛhyɛ yɛbɔ wo bia baabi a wɔ biara na wɔwɔ ebi wo nsa ɛsiane sɛ yɛpɛ sɛ yɛhu ɛtitirifo ɛne aboafo a yɛn mu edi dwumadi ɛnɛ dɛ yi yɛto nsa ɛfrɛ Mr. Ɔhene Menye yi dodo na afrɛ no Kwaku Menye ebiu ha de asɛ ne din ahyɛta koro ne mu yie paa nti baabi a wɔ biara papa ɔmo ɔfɛfo yɛsrɛ yɛamo nsa yɛn ma wɔ papa aba na Mr. Kwana mete so wose assemblyman bi ba kom hanom a odi dwumadi yie paa nti na merenyi nyinaa na mepenipa ko ehu no nanso menyi ya mehu sɛ papa yɛ onwanyamfo a ɔmfa na adwuma endi agori ɔyɛ ɔse adeɛ yɔ na nnɛ nso ɛsane dwuma pa a odi kan tete no nnɛ na adwuma ahyɛ ani ama yɛama ne DCE ɛwɔ Ɔkere constituency ɛnyɛ obiara sɛ Honorable Eric William Ayete na yɛreka yɛ ho sɛ yɛabɔ ne din sɛ yɛpɛ nkokɔ anaasɛ nkosua bi a yɛhu na yɛnsa ɛbɛka bi mu nso mpanyinfo yɛ nhyehyɛmu ɛto nsa ɛfrɛ Kingdom Real Estate CEO nkra yɛ nya ne sɛ ɔnam kwan so reba ɛsiane sɛ nyinaa yɛpɛ sɛ yɛsi dan anaa yɛte afiafi no nti ɛsɛ ɔno nso ba na ɔde
nso ɔbɛka yɛn nsa ɔno ɛyɛ ɔse wɔ akɔ I see you all about Kingdom Heaven. Sorry, Rebecca, sorry, I see my baba.
Then, man travel, correct? Distinguished chiefs and queen mothers, the district chief executive of Ɔkere, Honorable Eric Williams Ayete, the Member of Parliament for Okere, Honorable Ado Kenneth, Nananom, members of Agreement Council, the Assemblyman, Honorable Richard Ado, our esteemed elders, distinguished Assemblyman, our esteemed elders, distinguished invited guests, sons and daughters of Agreement, the media, ladies and gentlemen. It's with a great joy and profound cultural pride that we gather here today to officially launch the 2025 celebration of our cherished Eba Festival. It is my pleasure to be called upon to perform this task on behalf of Ojao Bakinebu II, Ebruhini, and the Repehinim of Ekrapim. This sacred gathering represents not just a celebration, but a renewal of our spiritual connection to our ancestors, our land, and our collective identity as a people. The Eba Festival has been the heartbeat of our community for over 200 years, serving as a bridge between our glorious past and our promising future. Our forefathers established this sacred tradition to honor our ancestors, bring back home and unite the sons and people, the sons and daughters of Ebru. Today, as we stand on the shoulders of those who came before us, we remember that this festival is more than entertainment. It is a repository of our wisdom, our values, and our unbroken chain of cultural transmission from generation to generation. This year's celebration carries special meaning as we preserve our heritage. In an increasingly global world, festivals like ours serve as vital guardians of our traditional knowledge, customs, and practices that define who we are as a people. It strengthens community bonds. The festival will bring together families separated by distance, reunites childhood friends, and create new connections among our youth, reinforcing the Ubuntu spirit that we are because we are together. We honor our ancestors. We will pay homage to those who have transitioned to the ancestral realms, seeking their blessings for prosperity, peace, and unity in our community. We will celebrate our progress. While we honor tradition, we will also celebrate the achievements of our sons and daughters who have excelled in various fields, contributing to the development of our community and Ghana as a whole. The theme for this year's celebration is Return and Reunite for Development. This theme reflects our commitment to maintaining our cultural identity and unity as a people in our fervent quest for positive change and development. We recognize that tradition and modernity are not opposing forces, but are complementary aspects of our journey towards progress. Our ancestors were innovators and adopters, and we honor them by applying their wisdom to contemporary challenges. During the 2025 Eba Festival, to be held from 21st to 28th December 2025, we will experience the richness of our culture through traditional ceremonies, the grand dinner of chiefs showcasing our royal heritage, the pouring of libation to connect with our ancestors, special prayers for peace, prosperity, and unity. There will be cultural performances, there will be community engagements, there will be economic activities, because a lot of people will come around. There will be tourist activities, support for local artisans, and investment opportunities in the community. As we launch this celebration, I will call upon all of us to participate actively, to respect our traditions, to welcome our guests, to share all that we have with others, and support local development. Nananum, ladies and gentlemen, any endeavor as such, in respect of planning and the execution of the Eba Festival, requires enormous financial resources. In the next few minutes, the planning committee will be asking for your support in cash, pledges, and other forms. It is my fervent hope that you will assist by making generous donations to make this festival one of the best in our history. Let's rise up to this occasion. I extend heartfelt gratitude to our Royal Father, Ojaho Kwame Ebruhini, and Reverend of Ebru, for his visionary leadership and unwavering commitment to our cultural preservation. The Festival Planning Committee for their tireless efforts in organizing this launch and the upcoming festival. Our distinguished special guests, sponsors, and partners who have supported today's event. The youth who have embraced their responsibility as cultural ambassadors. All community members who have contributed to making this launch possible. As we celebrate our past and present, we also look to the future with optimism. This festival is an investment in our children and grandchildren, ensuring that they inherit not just material wealth, but the invaluable treasure of cultural identity. We envision our festival growing in significance, attracting visitors from across Ghana and beyond, while maintaining its authentic character and spiritual essence. Through this celebration, we contribute to Ghana's rich tapestry of cultural festivals and our nation's tourism development. In the spirit of our ancestors, let us make the upcoming festival one that honors our past, celebrates our present, and inspires our future. May the drums echo with joy. May the dancers celebrate our unity. And may the blessings of God and our ancestors guide us towards prosperity and peace. Let us remember that we are not just celebrating a festival. We are celebrating who we are, where we come from, and where we are going as a people, united by culture, tradition, and shared identity. We are the people of Ebru. We speak Okere, not Chirupon. Our festival is Eba, not Umu. I hereby officially launch the 2025 Eba Festival. In this year's celebration, bring joy to our hearts, unity to our community, and blessings to our land. Thank you very much.
From 19th December 2025, and no, you will prepare a year soon, a day soon, and other in Suewo, a blue ha, and near to see him prefer Sunday, would make the baby war. Never met that 20th December, no, to be able to see the night in what I'm with him. Got had the Wenima overseas your fair. Na ya kwatem ato ansana yumedi no akasa ebiso kwasida no 21st akwasidai tiwa bi akwasidai wo fikasi mu ha ansana yewia yakobo kwan wo busompra ponu mu na yimre mu na so yebekọ na yakofa eba wo ponu mu de aba efie na yafi ase Joda da yebe kai mpanyin ene atitiwa efimu afietwam ene afimu na anopa no obi abaye de wo na efimu na na ebiam no ye nyina abehia ofikasi mu ha na yagugwa ewo ebru nya nyifia no de akai mpanyin nso brada no fiafimu nhyiai ayi hyiahia wo yafimu na nsɛm ebi wɔ hɔ a yɛkeka baabi a ɛsɛ wɔsiesie wɔasiesie ebi a ɔbɛpam no na yɛapempam ɛsiane sɛ yɛafa hyɛ no ɛba sɛ yɛrebɛmpam asiesie yɛn ntam nsɛm na tumi ama asomdwee aba yɛn mfiafi mu ukuda da a yɛdidi ɛnyɛ sɛ fidwoda no nyinaa yɛdidi na mmom ukuda da a mahyɛ ato hɔ sɛ yɛdidi soronko ɛsiane sɛ dwoda ne fida no woyɛ okwapini a yɛnyina yɛnim sɛ fu bia yɛbɛba nsujoda ne brada no ntimi ndi nti ukuda no na obetimi adidi sɛne yɛka no na yɛtimi so ayɛ amane ahoro a ɛsɛ yɛ ɛwɔ fidiom ha ne yɛfefe yɛwie so a yɛbɛyɛ cooking and eating competition ɛso ɛwɔ manim na yɛ nyinaa so ahɔ ɛboa ama yɛayɛ na yɛwoda ayɛ sukuufo no ɛde It's no school for no, you're very organizing quizzes. At the schools now, I would go in also our year. Our which I said, near I was one school, so SME. I feeder, and so you're very a friend indoor games. I do or in a time in the Sunday, so you didn't every man, oh, grown war. It's what I offer, say, which I will be and so, which me do also our show. Now, fair. Then you bring no and a float, a bar float, a vessel, and sana a cover, yet the street carnival to us, a woman. When they die, you will go, baby, I didn't say, or my name. Now, if you are any bring so street jams at Wasso, or going. Now, I'm going so at me at the winning a crowd.
And I know a trip, and I know Mamma Punya said, Indeed, you ready to see one champion or Google said on financing festival action. Now, Jumedia Nabidi, and Pondis with you, now I'm ready to maintain and said, Mamma, no, okay, Tom and car. Na mumenya say afide so eba so sabi ta frache ono ni edrumande o me say won tena ko ti atete brade better e ma kwa ko chiri ni no resade wo bre na mani So ofie natural spices. And so am I saying 2,000 Ghana cedis. Aha, wow. Yaudan so. And also we say am I 2,000 Ghana cedis. I feel and so say or my 2,000 Ghana cedis. Yeah. The driver back home, and I also want 500 Ghana cedis. Adauso.
say, Nature also in a so. No, that's a big say. And then I saw Karen Ben, and you know, Asira and the men can amen. The Asira and the Asira a big so. The every day, but what at the Unakopon motion. Yet, that's a name a little of the same. The community committee led by Elder Bewegi. And here, a few more, and I said a few more. And the one they are saying, I tell you so, and be there where Nina, a few more, a book of the shop, and never went. But spare the same. Money has a little retreat. If I didn't say, won't so, and we pass. I feel so very social in here. Now, no, and yet to about any bear. At a good day, where Nene and more Iba, or what they are said to the way. And yet, she said, you are there more and the other one, and then the marathon. No more, and may walk no more a program of football match. Oh, and they say Dangote, no more, any view, and MP and Aroma, any partner, any we. No, a small year, and Rafua, any other so quick any real poster, any real Jesse, any drink, any appointed prayer. No, better than the same. Prayer for this and into and any about a trainer, any bear, I tell you what to say. I tell you, and I'm so proud to say. I think more be here. No more MC Apa. And yet, they're going to concrete for some fair. No, now, so that's your and the bear, the boy, maybe year to one bread, nay, and you will concrete table, and then you see a person. Now, no, and then they say a rabbit name so easily. You can't get a 7 and a bed. We are going to Asra and a bed. Amen. And then, as a idiot, a good man can, our planning committee chair, a bureau at an woman, and then, what you are. I'm here as a good film. Honorable District Chief Executive, as the representative of His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, Honorable William Kofi Aite, Planning Committee for Papa Sofo, as I can President, as a family on campus. Need money like I made the enemy at I was senior citizen. No more so I will be free. If you are bad, near time, I made the at a whenever I bet fine. No more prefer a man I consider and when we take down. I think so, and Branty and more, and then before a man at a whenever I bet trust away at the Gatinity. You can follow the tennis. Next more, and then says again, oh, 2 and I went over there. ne open pia source every study room open we see me the best. Anyway, then I put you see my best. No me ya pe me mo this is the we are the so towards 2025 April and then we see a support with Mr. Mena for the football tournament anyway. The support for IPA, everything at any back anyway. But we are towards the planning and activities and then so anyway 20,000 Ghana cents. And then it is 200 million. The planning committee for the year union. On travel. Ne eba for come out here and I said I don't know anybody. My prayer and every really and what street time was worth. If you also anybody at it. Last year, we support all the street activities. When you're around and I'm excited about parks and bars, etc. Ne or mobile contribution. And right and then about fan. And then about fan, yes, it was said. One unique thing said, Obetaka and Queen will have to look at and which is a unique thing. And it was now the money essence of the bed, you couldn't take on the boy. Near each other. Men are scared for us. Men are scared for us. And then about pen, about pen, and really. And about pen, and you cripple. Say, yes, more reunite. As of good. And no word of when you was any child because a support. As a theatre, we are blue about no one said that to Pascal, any patronizing baby. I tell you about now the unity. In Kakuma, so in the economic development, in the energy, in the Amufama, as a great cheer when I in the spirit of reunite, in the spirit of equality. That's it. We need to add no church for and particularly, I'm excited to say this is we are one of the very fine assembly members in Oke. One may accept for stealing, no money that the whole area. Maybe every assemblyman is one of the best to fight. Normally, they big political parties and more. Energy back, I saw a young man organize one of the largest non-state sponsored walk in the Britain. And I will urge you to go. I'm going to pray to say, again, and one of the most functional unit committees that we have in Oke. A new unit committee from offender child. No mobile office. You don't find that anywhere in Oke. Yes, everywhere. And so you can see I also pay tribute to the opinion leaders at the Adumaya Foundation. We are monitor any activities, the support for the primary school, the support for the church, the support for the community. All the church associations, Christian council, and the support, particularly for education and everything. This year, later, any beer now, so any tradition, anybody go for some quiz, the planning committee, and the quiz are a book, a topic, any petty blue amayo, any apart any history, any occasion, so the any right, the be necessarily done so, on the moon, any money, and money among because if I was a cheer, they take over to anybody. And that is why I stress on many Jase Amadi said, any Afasha Eba. And I believe that any brand Afasha concept, a blue, they created is the gateway to market. So what you can over. And so it's important to position a blue very well. And they pick up because as a brand, we are going to check at the new theater. When I swear for percent. Let me share the
Last year, the back. The case I called that. Any former MP, one can already TV. More Anakin, and my son said the young and the junior. So many better questions. Then 24-hour economy market in the city of the 5,200,000 Ghana cedis. You know the old school with that. Bank with that. Fire service for that. Very treated. In a church, in a list picture, in a video. I tell what is it. Any plane can set the country that they didn't need to frame as a whole ammonia. Any plane is awful a Gianna Cotiana, the root of the book. I can make anyone need to show. Nearly 100,000 Ghana cedis at the national capital. Now, Nature, I said, my year to say, a big back and a booty. You know, but it did not have all of that. We are there that the black facility. Some way, I'm reaching up our house in Nigeria. This time in Ghana, what you may hear said, they will do war on the back. That's the way the police. in Jack, tennis court, that's a little mesh, although I didn't do I didn't tennis court. Now, so they are to be at it. And then the police in now. Now, it's not the 24-hour economy at the end of the day. Mobile here said a big 4 lights. The package. They said, any should say, every year is a bad month, and that tell make me fierce, all the beer man. When the baby and young part of the paper, any other woman, any other woman also know. But clarity, he has said, no way. Never more, when he's got, and then he's here. Then the whole way Bama, you do okay, can you say any people? It doesn't blame you at the I'm saying that you are more. And yet, as a movie, as a star, or trash. At the university, full of metal, material, garden, full of metal. I'm a baby, sir. Won't you? You will never feel no answer. I'm wasting a thousand. As a would be a woman, more than you are. See, I tell you, I'm not very. Hey, I did be a message. A few more or more young men or more way, at least one tap there. And they actually on phone so see, come at any and can no make your man as well. Maybe 2 on phone so no matter. Nobody of the people see it. I didn't let them. I'm not telling. Everybody is Oma, more automatic baby, no more. There's so better than them is money, big answer again. Say, and I buy more, a pretty rare, a purple shoe, a dear bottle. A year, then piano said that I'm more in a year so. Don't have a message. Only years here, we need no matter where the year is here. But in the summer, baby say yeah, Sikane Nenye. When the Chinoto, why in the new I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I know the person. Mama, my son is at the place. He gets the water. The 10 million. I don't know 10 million. But it's okay. I don't know 10 million. So, mom made the man guy. They said the month of I enti nipa dodo a ɛwɔ asɔre dɛm ha mu nyinaa sika mu yi no yɛ 10 million anaa na me barima akyerɛ bɔ ɛnna me yɛ kyerɛ me yi mɛdɔbɔ no na mede baako asa ɔbɛda ada me 30 million na wo ɛne dwumadi ɛdɛ ɛdɛ fɔ abɛɛ a ne ɛfɔ ase ɛtɛ sika de ne nya bɛɛ nira planning committee a ɛtɛ ɔmo de ne bi ama de no mu a mɛnɔm 5,000 ne mɛnɔm 5,000 ne ɔmo de ne de ne bi akɔ bɛɛ ɔmo nwe ne kɔ abɛ ɔmo esi a ɔmo tɛ ɔmo ne mɛtɛ
After can say, I can't feel good as I'm not going to now I'm going to do here. The next chance of getting your we are not catching. The catch is here, a baby, maybe I'm papa. Then you have a woman. And you are born. And they never take me here. They never walk and they do that again. Tia fɛfɛ ne yɛ to ne ni yi me kura mi yɛ mo ɔfɛ ne yɛ si na ɛso wodɔ wo ma o yɛ nya wo ma no ɛn pɛ mi na ɛna papa ka na ɛbɛyɛ ɔma de ko titi wɔ bɛ na ɛna mi hyɛ wɔ ɛna wɔ sɛ ɛbɛni ɔdɔbo triple 1 2 points ne twi na ɔmo nyɛ ko twi ne sɛ wo bɔ si a ɔfɛ wɔ abɛ fa ɔlito fa. Oyerito, I didn't tell that. You should be going to Yadu, or you also way I go. Over there, no need to see. And Papa, I don't fear that me. You be a serious year, though. You want the word of Father, maybe, this is one situation. So children, so cooking, so be a fair with no different fair with it. Never did have it. I feel like that my head, the book I said, and I didn't think. Never so, and the book good people. Men are the bad, and when I say I support to any achievement. Of what I was saying, and anything I was lady. No, I didn't. I share the bed now. Off so here shoot. The list of the okay, minimum mama and the Allah better than amen.
I'm sure somebody the be a you know, who being a say a bomb pie. The be a teacher upon one son, Reverend Ataji Presby, Basre, Asafo. So Penny Bidi and Yumina or Bombay, not on his shop. The Yakuyan on a catechism. Maybe one more and some Cassetta and Russia. Asida Yeso Ronya Kompa Vida Odo Yepi Jaya Soda Naboni Bietsu Miye O Yesu Muna Yeji, why ye da. Yet, as a dad, and can be and the demand was for a day. While was showing us as now, Bonipa and partners as so hard. Yet was some now, Nipa Ashias, now, Toba is Christian so bad. If it would be Nipa, yes, a tango to you pay an one you pay another and come for an age and each was for granted. Well, poor, Ghana mine, or poor, or cream mine, or poor, a blue mine. The Sri Lanka was for a near coupon. The Sri Lanka was 29. Why your flower was sad year, the Sri Lanka die. A real Nigeria, oh my prayer, no, is now, is answered. We are Tonya Coupon. Or dash our man. Now, as some say, who 20 and Mranny Paya Pania Pono, oh, Toma is Christ of the Oran shall count. Who did we at us? And then what to be a man, Mashia, Ama, a passion so, and never a pound man. In Shanka, dear. When you have been mine at the year, now I have been mine at home. Now I'm not where they want to be at the from Mediamaya. Over in Sri Lanka, in Sri Lanka, be was for a day. When mine one move in every Miami, a bit of crime. A bit of house of Jim. Now, you tell us, you get to my answer. 1 hour back on the
Equiapim TV, Bipauso, Hein.